Hi, this is John McPherson at FitGolf1.com. Today we're going to do the ABCs of the ankle. I feel the way shoes are constructed nowadays, it takes away the ability to get the full range of motion that the foot uses. Plus, sitting all day long and driving in your car, it doesn't help out either. So an age-old one that I've always used and has been used through physical therapists have been the alphabet. So sitting down while you're watching TV at home, use your big toe as a pointer, and you're basically going to draw out the alphabet A to Z with the big toe, trying to get as much range of motion through as you can. Once you get to Z, if the muscles in and around the ankle and the calf haven't tired out yet, do the small alphabet. Do both feet, and that will help you get a better feel for the ground.